So Sharefactory has just had a new update, version 4.50, which means we have 10 new creator packs, additional bits, options and new editing feature which many people didn't even notice, and I'll show you that in this video. On screen now a small selection of clips from the new creator packs, so they all add more options to your gameplay videos. The creator packs added are FIFA 23, PlayStation, Street Racing, Shooter Sketch Style, Shooter CCTV, Shooter Alien Encounter, Cartoon, Old School Classic Arcade, and there should be Baseball, so I guess that will be added soon. As a quick example for you, just using the Cartoon Creator Pack, you can see that each Creator Pack does come with its own text options, so there's only a few selections here. They also come with their own stickers, so this one's the cartoon stickers. Some of them are animated, some of them are just static stickers. And then all Creator Packs obviously do come also with a transition style. So looking at the cartoon transition styles, these are the two here. This one looks a little bit like this. And then moving on to the bits editor, you've got game bits and currently FIFA 23 on, and game and genre bits, and you've got 7 different options to choose from there, so definitely take a look at those at your leisure. And then we've got social bits, so we've got PlayStation, Twitter, YouTube, and each one has a couple of options of styles to choose from. When you click on them, it will give you something a bit like this, so it gives you a little bit of a username tag in wherever you want on the screen. One thing a lot of people missed in the recent update is this replace clip option, which is a really useful tool to allow you to swap out clips in your project. So for example, we've got this football clip here. If we just click on it and replace clip, then we can select a new clip to take its place. So we'll use this car racing one, and then there you go, you push on the confirm and it changes from the football to the clip selected. And that's a really useful tool. On screen now are some videos to watch next, and I hope that's been a useful summary of the recent update. I'll be doing more in-depth looks at each individual creator pack, so keep an eye out for those. But if this has been useful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks very much. Bye.